In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed ramp in Davinci Resolve, a powerful tool that can elevate the cinematic expression in your video projects by adding dynamic pacing and dramatic visuals. First, let's get started by launching Davinci Resolve on your computer. If you're not familiar with it, it's a comprehensive video editing software developed by Blackmagic Design, renowned for its robust color correction and professional editing capabilities. Once you have the application open, you'll want to look for the project that you intend to work on. Simply click on the project to open it, and that will bring up your timeline where all the editing magic happens. Now let's head over to the edit page. This is where most of your editing work will be done within Davinci Resolve. The edit page provides a highly flexible environment for assembling and refining your project. Look for the icon at the bottom of the interface and click on it to open this tab. With the edit page open, locate the particular clip on your timeline that you want to apply a speed ramp effect to. Speed ramping can dramatically alter the tempo of your footage, allowing you to present parts of your video at varying speeds for enhanced storytelling. When you found your clip, right-click on it. This action will open a context menu with various options. Within this menu, you need to select Retime Controls. Clicking on Retime Controls will overlay a simple management menu above your clip, providing you with tools to adjust the playback speed of different parts of your clip. This feature is integral for speed ramping, as it allows you to seamlessly transition between different speeds to create smooth and effective visual effects. To start speed ramping, you can add speed points on your clip, which allows you to define different segments of your clip to have varying speeds. Right click again on the clip and look for adding a speed point. Once you've added your speed points, you can adjust the speed of each segment by dragging the handle either to speed up or slow down that portion of the clip, tailoring the motion effect to your project's specific needs. Speed ramping is not only about changing the pace of your clip, but also about how seamlessly one speed transitions into another. Spend some time playing with the settings to achieve the effect that best communicates the mood and timing you envision for your narrative. And there you have it. That's how you apply a speed ramp effect in Davinci Resolve. With practice, you'll be able to use this technique to add professional quality effects that set your project apart. Keep experimenting with different speeds and transitions to fully harness the potential of speed ramping, and enjoy creating captivating and dynamic videos. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.